to send this link out. Then we're gonna get started. Going on, y'all? About to send this link out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. 1 second. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. We are what's going on, y'all? Who's up in here already? Who's up in here already? On the chat. Got a couple setups we're looking at right now. New 5 minutes about to pop up in a little bit. Didn't take any trades last night. Price was just choppy and rangy for the most part. What's going on, Shawn? How you doing, my boy? I'm only posting a video about you later on today. Just for motivation, you already know. Because you're on what, your second or your third challenge right now? Number 3, y'all. I'll see it yourself. Y'all watching the playback. I know how YouTube works. Y'all can see both the live chat and the playback chat. My boy killing it. Which one are you using? Are you using what's that shit? Mass Trader, or are you using well, we can't even use them 2.25. So we're using Mass Trader. I like it. I like it. I like it better than 2.4. Now, not as far as the app. Well, I don't use the app. I just use the desktop version. But MT, but the IG app, I like the IG app. The IG app's really clean. I like how it is. It makes you confirm like 3 times before you enter and exit a trade, which is good. But man, I remember one time I thought I entered a trade and I forgot to confirm for like maybe the second time. Well, I think I forgot. I didn't press something. And so I'm watching the charts because, like y'all know, I always tell y'all, like, I'm in a trade. I'll be looking at my, my broker. I'll be looking at the charts. So I'm watching. I'm like, okay, after it dropped like, this happened like a week or two ago. After it dropped like 30 plus pips when the trades was in, I was like, damn, I'm making some bread right now. So I was like, let me pull my phone out and see how much I'm up. And then it was like, no trade was open. I was like, I didn't move my SL in profit. What do you mean no trades open? Well, I didn't even activate the trade. I was hot. But now I know, so I learned from that mistake. Here, I'm like, before I even close the app, I'm like, I need to see this trade enter. I need to see me in that drawdown before I hop up. But I like how it is. It's a lot cleaner and simpler. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. This is a trade idea. We're not entered anything yet. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free Telegram using Trade Locker. You got to connect it to your trading view account, or is that mandatory to have connected to your trading view account? Because I was thinking about doing that, but I don't want to connect to my trading view because I've been using trading for all my chart analysis. I don't want We got a couple setups we're looking at. We're looking at a possible GJ sell. We're looking at possible another gold sell. This is the move we caught yesterday. If y'all either watched Sunday chart analysis or y'all was at yesterday's live, we literally broke down this move and then me and the members entered this move together. We hit like TP. I think we hit TP4, TP5. It's not a 1,000 pip move. As you can see, price rejected twice, failed to break this level. As we can see right here, we push back up. And I'll look for another possible sell setup. We do got some news today, though. Let's go ahead and talk about that really quick. So looking at today, we have an 8:30 USD news. We got a bunch of news events popping up. We have earnings, not farm, employment change, unemployment rate, and ISM services at 10 a.m. So keep that in mind. We are entering trade, or while you're in trades, keep those times in mind. And if you haven't already, make sure to watch the playlist on how to trade news. I'm going to drop that in the chat right now. Make sure to check that out. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. No, it's not connected. Okay, but you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at your chart, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Oops. Y'all know, it's been a minute since I dropped something on live and probably heard some people that had headphones in their ears. But yeah, we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. We see gold. We're about to see if it can hold this level as resistance. If it holds as resistance, we're looking for another sell setup here. If it can hold 2,300, 2,298 as resistance, we can look for sells going down to 2,276, 2,278. That's what we're looking for. GJ ended up reversing those doubts here in the beginning of the week. I mean, tune into the line of session live. Remember, I was talking about if it breaks this level, we can see a reversal come into play, the support level, which we saw price was respecting up until yesterday. That's when price broke it, right? Again, we look at Monday. Monday, price did this crazy ass move, but it respected a lot of support. And then Tuesday, price attempted to continue to push up, but it was just struggling. Then Wednesday, when price reversed down, but still respected a lot of support. As you see, it wicked and closed above this level. And then yesterday, price tried to break this level, but after it hit this level, when we go into the smaller time frame, you can see that after price hit this level, failed to hold that support, which is why we always talk about waiting for confirmations. But I'll probably make a video on Instagram talking about this, but this is just another example. If we just waited an extra 30, 45 minutes, we could have avoided a lot. I mean, I didn't take the trend. Let's talk about if we were impatient. You know what I'm saying? That's why you always on the live see me waiting for confirmations. Don't be an excited or antsy. Never in a rush to enter a trade. Because again, you should never be in a rush to throw your money into the market. The goal is to look for and go for high quality, high probability setups. Do you want to start over with the analysis? Yeah, no problem. So yeah, I'm just looking at two setups right now. I'm looking at gold and GJ, both possible sell setups. I'm looking at other charts and pairs as well, but these are the ones that are just the closest to possible entries if our confirmations are met. So if gold can continue to hold 2,300, 2,298 as resistance, we can look for sales going back down to 2,278, 2,276. If y'all said yesterday's live stream, gold when that's projected, it just to hit this next price point we was looking for. So we're looking for today. We're gonna hold as low as resistance. I wouldn't really look for buys unless the price breaks back above 2,330 and starts holding that support. If we're looking at a possible GJ sell, if it can hold 192 as resistance, looking for sales going down to 191.15 and possibly 190.30. Whatever they look for buys, I mean, you can look for short-term buys that breaks back above and holds 193.55 as support, but I'd like price to hold 195.50 as support for it to complete uptrend. I need to add a level. There's something missing here, so let me fix that really quick. Just dropped a video the other day for y'all. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. Make sure to like it. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Go ahead and put that in the chat right now. Get a new damn chair. It's be hard to find good chairs nowadays. At least for me.
The University of Arizona Online brings a top-ranked education to you. Choose from 150 plus programs. Learn from the same faculty.
We do not care about them programs. All right, back to our regular scheduled program. All right, new 15 just popped up. So about again, see if it can hold this level as resistance. Right there. Those are doing the stream. We have not entered anything yet. The trade orders, wait for our confirmations. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link. Check it out for y'all as well. Again, those that haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis or y'all just found this channel today or yesterday, the first week and last week of the month are usually the slowest and choppiest. We didn't take too many trades this week. We only took 2 trades this week, if I'm not mistaken. We took gold trade yesterday. TP5 got hit with 1,000 pips, and then the 30th, which was Monday. I'm terrible with dates. Let me pull out not the calculator, the calendar. What day is that? I'm not paying attention to dates. The 30th, Tuesday. So we didn't take a trade Monday. We took a trade Tuesday. Took a GJ buy. TP7 got hit, cost 63 pips. And then Wednesday, we did not take anything. So yeah, We only took 2 trades this week. So we're 2-0 so far this week. Like y'all see on the bottom of y'all screen last month, if y'all scroll to May 1st, you'll see how we did April. We went 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate. We caught a total of 47,957 pips. You see that going to May 1st. Click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of April. And we can also see how we've been doing this year so far. You can see how we did quarter 1, January, February, and March, which we'll go over in a second. So we're just doing that. Got my looks in the other charts. So these are the 2 we're going to be really just watching because we're the closest to our levels and the closest to possibly entering the trade. We look at New Zealand USD while we're right. Yeah, we can take a look at that. No issue. That's no issue. I have not traded this pair. I used to trade this pair a lot. Not New Zealand USD. I think it was either New Zealand USD, New Zealand JPY. I used to trade a lot back in the day. But I cut down a lot of pairs I used to look at. Like y'all OG members, OG subscribers. Yeah, like all these levels are old as hell where I was in that. Like y'all know we used to trade hell. We used to take all types of setups. But you can see like the last time you took a trade on here was in February last year. So it's been so we're gonna delete all this stuff so we can focus on the work. Let me get rid of these alerts because these alerts are taking up alerts over here else. So we're gonna try some. So right now we see a possible reversal coming into play, right? Because we're clearly having bearish momentum here. We got a reversal. Price failed to break the support level. I break this resistance level and treat it as support, which caused price to shoot back down. Then we saw the same thing happen here. Price struggled to break this support level and treat it as a resistance, which is needed for the downtrend to continue. So we see another reversal. So a price can break this next level here at around what is this 59.80, 59.90, and hold that support. You could see short-term buys going up to around 60, 65, something like that. But it's going to need to break that level, right? Because when we take a closer look at this, we can see here price is struggling to break this high to the left right here, right? And if you watch my video on how to, I think I literally just dropped it in the chat. If you watch this video that I dropped last week, or not even last week, like a couple days ago, how to identify reversals, it goes over the rules of how to kind of read the charts to see like what we're looking at. Is it a retracement, possible reversal, continuation, right? Because it's very important to understand what the price is going. That's going to help you make the best decision. So we do have slightly bullish momentum, but I wouldn't. But we're not in an uptrend, so I wouldn't just say buys. You know what I'm saying? It's got a little more work to do. Because again, the way I trade, I don't just if I see price go up, immediately go for buys, or I see when I immediately go for sells. I like to enter sells strictly in a downtrend, and I like to enter buys. We do not take this trade. It was a trade that I had, not take that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see this from at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way, TikTok _playmaker_way _. Post daily on both pages. Make sure to check out the recent posting as well. Just patiently wait. So you go pushing up. The only reason why we just wait for the confirmations. Right. And again, the reason why I also do these lives is to show y'all like there's literally no rush. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we looked at yesterday's live or any of the other lives, even right now, like, again, like, we're about to be 30 minutes into this live. The price is literally right where it's been at since the live started. So it's like a lot of y'all gotta, work on your patience. You know, that's one thing I gotta work on. I've had patience. I'm talking about patience on the charts because patience on the charts is a little bit different. Then, like, you have to have a different set of patience because the charts. But the patience also comes from understanding what's going on, right? Because again, if you don't understand what the hell's going on with the charts, and all you worry about is just trying to make money, that's where all these mistakes come from: the impatience, the greed, over leveraging, the FOMO, the list goes on and on and on and on. Majority of the problem, mentally and result-wise, is from the lack of understanding of what's going on in the charts, and also not having a game plan. Like, you can't just be trading and not have a set plan or goal. And just saying I want to make X amount a day isn't really a trading plan. It's just a goal. You know what I'm saying? You got to have a plan in place to achieve that goal, but you also got to make sure your goal is realistic. Like, for example, you got $100 account. It'll be unrealistic to try to make $50 or $100 a day if you have $100 account. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind as well. New 5 minute just popped up. All right, so we might see some action a little bit. So price might just do this until the news pops up. Still gonna be watching the charts though. Got a couple minutes to the next 500 pops up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When looking at charts, drop in the chat.
Have you lost Medicaid or CHIP? At healthcare.gov, 4 out of 5 customers can find
Your mentorship, do you do one-on-ones? So you click the links in the bio. Let me go to the bio really quick. Give me one second. So you go to the description. What's my? If you go to the description, it has a list of all my services. So I do one-on-one sessions. You can see that right there. Now the one-on-one sessions are separate from the signal. Actually, no. The signal room and the one-on-one sessions are separate, but if you do the one-on-one sessions, you do get access to the advanced play signal. As far as how many trades I take per day, again, you hit the link in the description, the first link. You can go to the free signal from Telegram. I do the recap of the day every day. I do the recap of the week every single week. And I do the recap of the month at the end of every month. Last month we went 15-4, gave us a 79% win rate, hitting 47,957 pips. Last quarter, January went 20-0, caught 37,620 pips. February went 17-1, caught 24,403. March went 16-3, caught 49,783 pips. And in quarter one, 53-4, was 93% win rate, catching a total of 111,806 pips. We ended last year 76-7, 96% win rate, caught 240,157. So again, I don't have a set number of trades I take per day. That's not how it works, because it would be unrealistic to be like, I'm gonna take three trades a day every day. I'm gonna take 2 trades a day every day. I trade all sessions. We trade Tokyo, which is members only. We trade London session, like we're doing right now, and we trade New York session. So when there's volume, we take multiple trades, usually at least 1 trade per session, not 2 trades per session. The price has been a lot choppier this year compared to last year, which is why we've been taking a lot less trades. But if you go to the free Telegram, you can kind of see on average how many trades we take per week and all that good stuff. Yeah. And if you watch any of my YouTube videos, literally at the end of every single one of my YouTube videos, the last 2-3 minutes, I go over all the details of what all that stuff includes. The one-on-one sessions, you get 2 sessions a week. The sessions are 1 hour long. They're yours to keep for life. They're all recorded. And you also get access to the events for sooner. That way you can learn while you're learning. And prices and all that stuff, put the links in the description. It will send you and give you all the details and stuff. And then we go into the free Telegram. We go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos of just receipts on receipts from positions I personally took myself, screenshots of the signals, as well as student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. So you can literally explore all this. Check it out. So I don't know why I keep finishing. I'm not sure what it means. All right, I had literally last month, you see March, someone passed 2 or 3 150K futures prop firm accounts from what I teach. My boy Shawn in the chat, or he was in the chat. He literally last month, going into this month, on his 3rd prop firm that he's passed and he's funded on. I got a bunch of, I just have a bunch of, I don't even post half the messages and results I get. So I'm not trying to be spammy, because even without these, the results are here. If you watch my live streams, like literally every day, I predict a lot of directions price is going. And then if you watch the Sunday chart analysis, which I drop at the beginning of every week, I literally predict the majority of the charts. I'll go over the direction that are going to go, not just Monday, but the entire week. You can look at last week's chart analysis, this week's chart analysis, the week before's chart analysis, the week before last chart analysis. You can look at all the London session lives, all that good stuff. And again, if you look at yesterday's live stream, I literally broke down this gold trade, the members took. I literally called before GM reversed. I called GM breaking the highs to the left. So, there's receipts everywhere. Instagram, you go to the highlights. Let's see which one the highlight is. So you go to our Instagram, which is scrolling at the bottom of the screen, and you go to, there's my second. What's my city? What's the signals? Garbage. What they got going on? But if you go to the testimonials highlight level, there's literally, it's filled to the max. I'm gonna have to make a new one. But you can literally see results, student results and testimonials from 2 years ago to currently this year. So that goes to Instagram is literally the first highlight, the testimonials, and you'll literally see results and receipts from 2022 going into 2023, and then going into now 2024. And again, if you keep on the free Telegram, you can see that as well. There's already over 1,000 photos of these receipts and receipts and receipts, receipts and receipts, receipts and receipts, receipts and receipts, receipts, all that good stuff. And then also everything dated and timed. So I literally can't make anything up because everything's dated in time. So all you have to do to fact check is go to that pair, go to that chart, go to that date, go to that time, and then, you know what I'm saying, everything's going to match up. 2 plus 2 is always going to equal 4. But yeah, I could literally scroll for the remainder of the live stream. How many results and testimonials we got and all that good stuff. There's another student. This was a student I had. He did one-on-one sessions from literally 3 months of doing one-on-one sessions with me. He had some trading experience. He wasn't brand new to trading. I'm not going to pretend like he was brand new to trading, but he never traded Forex before. He was doing, I think he said he was doing futures or something like that. But after 3 months with me, passed his prop firm, and he's doing his own thing. There's another Student, literally his first month, he made 5 times his return. And then this student, 24% of his account. I think this was like a day. What's that say? Yeah, a day. He made 24% of his account a day. I can really just scroll. I just don't like to do it because like the stuff's there. And I don't like to do it because people always go, "Oh, you're just trying to promote stuff, blah blah blah." But I can literally scroll. Like we're all the way in 2023 August, a whole year ago, and just receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts. This was another student. This is an OG student, but he did this when he first joined. He had a $200 account. He literally turned that to $1,000 in 2 weeks, and then from there, he literally was passing profit from accounts. Making $5,000 a day, all that good stuff. So, yeah. But yeah, markets are kind of slow right now, but that's to be expected because again, we have all this news. We talked about this not just yesterday, but in the Sunday chart analysis. So, and just like we was talking about before, when you understand what's going on, you're not going to get stressed or impatient. You know what I'm saying? Because like I always tell the members and students, there's only 3 things you can control: when you enter a trade, when you exit a trade, and how much you risk per trade. You do not control the markets, so it literally does you no help at all to stress or triple the markets because they're being slow or trades taking longer than you think or whatever the case may be. That's also why I have alerts. Make sure to like the live too, y'all. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We don't just live stream, but we post weekly content from trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos. Playlists are up to date. I know how YouTube works. Go ahead and check out this playlist. Got a playlist going over trade breakdowns, over 60 videos of back to back trade breakdowns from start to finish. Got another playlist going over trading tips, how to read the charts, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos. We got another playlist going over how to trade news, breaking out trades I took during news events, as well as the rules I use, I follow on news days. So make sure to check all that stuff out. Members are going to be going live during the 8:30 news today, so be on the lookout for that link. Yeah, so the game plan is still the same. New finding just popped up. So again, we're going to be looking for possible sells. We don't really look for buys on gold unless it breaks back above 23.30. So we can hold 22.98 as resistance. We can look for sells going to 22.78, 22.76, and then possibly down to 22.60. So I'm mainly watching gold today. I'm going to be watching GJ, see how it reacts onto these levels. And I'm going to be watching GU. Like I said, we got news at 8:30. We got a bunch of news popping up. Then we got another news event at 10 o'clock. Then we're going live with the members during 8:31. Went live with the members not yesterday. What day was it? Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday with the members yesterday. Not yesterday, Wednesday. He's saying yesterday. I had a session yesterday. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Instagram is playmaker_way. Telegram first link in the description. I respond to all messages. Go ahead and follow me there as well. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since they joined. Yeah, we're going to be back at it same time next week, Monday. Let us stream EST. I got a few videos lined up for not Friday. Well, today is Friday, but next week. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure to catch up to the videos I dropped this week. I dropped a couple this week and a few of them last week. Playlists are up to date as well. And I got a few posts lined up for Instagram and TikTok later on today. So be on the lookout for those.